OpenAI has introduced ChatGPT Work, a new version of its AI assistant built to handle larger assignments across files, applications, and websites. We'll explain how it differs from the ChatGPT people already use and what businesses should consider before connecting it to their everyday workflows as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your home for the latest tech news. Most people currently use ChatGPT for individual tasks, such as summarizing a document, drafting an email, or answering questions. The user provides the information, reviews the response, and then moves that work into the application where it's needed. ChatGPT Work expands that process. According to OpenAI, the new experience can use approved files and connected applications to gather information, plan how to approach an assignment, and produce materials such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and dashboards. Instead of asking for one piece of a larger project, a user could assign a broader task and allow ChatGPT Work to assist with several stages of the process. For example, imagine a manager preparing for a leadership team meeting. The information they need may be spread across project notes, messages, reports, spreadsheets, and several different applications. The manager could simply ask ChatGPT Work to review the information it has permission to access, identify open decisions and upcoming deadlines, and organize those findings into an executive summary. It could then use that information to create a presentation or dashboard for the meeting. OpenAI is also introducing a feature called Plan Mode. Before beginning an assignment, ChatGPT can gather context, ask follow-up questions, and present a step-by-step plan. The user can then request changes or approve the plan before the work even begins. This provides an opportunity to correct assumptions and confirm that the tool is approaching the assignment in the intended manner. The update also brings in the ability to connect with a wide range of outside tools and workflows, and in addition to that, the desktop application now includes a built-in browser that allows it to work across approved websites and applications. These connections are an important part of how the product works now. They allow ChatGPT to use information from more than one source instead of relying only on what the user adds to a single conversation. However, the amount of access involved now also means that organizations will need to pay closer attention to permissions. Before connecting ChatGPT Work to email, documents, project platforms, or other business systems, organizations should determine what information employees need for a particular assignment and what should remain outside of that tool's reach. Existing permissions also matter. If an employee already has access to information they no longer need, connecting another tool to that account could make those outdated permissions even worse. It's also crucial to note that human review is essential even with this update. A polished presentation or detailed report can still contain missing context, incorrect conclusions, or information that doesn't follow company standards. That means that employees will still need to review sources, verify important details, and approve final results before it's shared or used to make decisions. As of the time of this video, ChatGPT Work is already available through the desktop application, regardless of which ChatGPT plan you have. Access through web and mobile devices is now rolling out to Plus, Pro, Business, Enterprise, and Educational accounts. As organizations begin to evaluate these new features, the larger question isn't simply what can ChatGPT Work do? It's now where does it fit? What information should it be allowed to access? And how will you review its work? If your team needs help thinking through these decisions or determining how AI may fit into your existing workflows, reach out to Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. To stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.